a beautiful view. Here I am, you can see I'm sitting on the beach chair on the Valentin upgrade Allium side. Like I was saying, the chairs are originally the old ones. Yeah, it kind of sucks to have the old ones, but in my opinion, the old ones are way better for stability on the back here. So I can lean back here and not have a problem. Like in the last video that I have, I show you the groove that the plastic piece sits in. It's almost like a track, but it's not a track. It's just that piece of plastic sticks inside the little groove and sits there nicely. No issue with popping back or anything. The only time there is actually when I got up there, because of the way I'm sitting. Again, I never had this problem last year, but when I get up a little bit, sometimes it does move a little bit, but I don't notice it that much until I lean back and I notice it kind of pushes back. I know I'm kind of talking about this differently, about the chair, but it's just one of the things that I notice different with these old chairs, which is great. Then you get the new chairs, which they have that little clip thing that really just sits in, but it snaps out with the weight of a person. And as I just said at the end of the last video, unfortunately this little small framed woman actually had the same problem I did. So it's not just me. The chairs, as nice as they are unfortunately, and it's nobody's fault, the mesh is beautiful. The chair is great. The downside of it, the design flaw of the clip at the back to keep it up, like this part here up, and unfortunately this is the best chair for that, because like I said, it's just the groove inside and it sits there nicely. I wish that's what they designed in the old chair, or the new chairs. Yes, I'm going to let you go here, but one more time. Oh man, I've washed my face like 2 times before I left and I'm still getting, eye guck. It sucks, man. Like, it's just the humidity, and it's not too bad this morning, but the fact that, I don't know what the fact is, honestly. Just got to clean up my eyes a little bit, just to make sure. Anyway, keep it at that. Ciao for now.